How to beat Persian in Pokemon Go. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pippin Besnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can beat Persian in Pokemon Go. Now what you can do to beat Persian is you can use strong fighting or steel type Pokemon like Machamp, Lucario, Melmetal or Dialga, Nidoking such. So effective counters include ground and water types like Rhyhorn, Kyogre, Swampert, and Mamoswine Kingler. Use electric or grass types Pokemon like Kartana, Raikou, Roserade, and Electric. So what you can do to beat Persian is you can use strong fighting or steel type Pokemon, or you can use the ground and water types effective that has effective counters, or you can use the electric or grass types Pokemons like Kartana, Raikou, Roserade, and Electivire. So this is the way you can beat Persian in Pokemon Go. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.